I am going to demonstrate exercise to improve shoulder external rotation as well as to activate infraspinatus anteres minor muscle. This exercise will be done by using of various things, and this exercise will help to improve dynamic strength of shoulder joint muscles. For that purpose, patient will be standing using elastic resistance in front of the body at elbow level, and then patient have to grasp the elastic material and to rotate his arm outward. Perform this exercise for 5 times to activate infraspinatus anteres minor muscles. For second alternating position, patient will be sitting around the edge of table. Elbow will be flexed at 90 degrees supported on the table so that shoulder will be in resting position. Patient will having a weight that patient can easily tolerate, and then patient have to lift the weight from the table by rotating the shoulder. Third alternate position for that purpose is prone on the table, upper arm resting on the table with shoulder at 90 degree. Elbow will be flexed with forearm hanging over the edge of table. Patient will grasping a weight that he can easily tolerate. Lift the weight as far as possible by rotating the shoulder. In this exercise, elbow will not be extended. This exercise will help to improve external rotation of shoulder.